So in some of the other videos, we'll talk about a different method for solving a system of linear equations, where instead of setting the two equations equal to each other, we try to eliminate the variables in a different way. But first I want to ask a question. Do two lines always have a point of intersection? Or the equivalent question is, given a system of linear equations, is there always a solution? So maybe try and draw some pictures. Draw two lines that don't intersect. Let's see if we can do that here. We draw one here. Let me pick a different color. Okay. So, let's see. I might say, okay, well these don't look like they intersect, right? But I'm sure a lot of you at home watching this video are saying, wait, Ms. Barnard, they do intersect. You just didn't draw it. Right, I'll continue them both in green. Right, they intersect eventually. So that doesn't work. Okay, let's get rid of that. So that green line didn't work. Well, let's see. Basically, even if I sort of draw my lines that don't intersect in this little window, if the angle's off just a little bit, like here, we saw, hey, they intersect eventually. Something about angles, right? The angle between the lines that I've drawn looks like I really need to draw parallel lines, which is what I've tried to draw here. So parallel lines don't intersect. So the answer to our question is no. Solutions to a system of linear equation don't always exist. Just because, hey, a solution to a system of linear equation, that's just a point of intersection. And you can see that with two lines, you're not always going to have a point of intersection. And indeed, if you had three equations, that would be like having three lines that you're looking at, and you want them all to have a common point. All right, let me draw in a third line. All right, well, even though the blue line does intersect the y and it does intersect the green, there's no place where all three of them intersect at once. So the system of linear equations given by these three lines would not have a solution.